In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Outlook. If you're working in classic Outlook and want a simple way to delegate work and keep tabs on progress, the built-in task assignment feature is your best friend. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to make sure everything runs smoothly. First, open Classic Outlook. From the Home tab, create a new task by selecting the New Items drop-down in the ribbon and choosing Task. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl-Shift-K. This opens a new task window where you'll set everything up. With the task window open, switch it into assignment mode by clicking Assign Task on the Task tab in the ribbon. You'll notice the layout changes slightly to include a To field and a Send button, which means this task is now ready to be delegated. Start by addressing the task. In the To field, enter the name or email address of the person responsible. Outlook will usually suggest people from your contacts or directory as you type. As a best practice, assign the task to a single owner to keep accountability clear. Next, add a clear, action-oriented subject so it's immediately obvious what needs to be done. Set a start date and a due date to establish expectations. The start date communicates when work should begin, and the due date keeps everyone aligned on deadlines. Choose a priority level to signal urgency. Then set a reminder if you'd like the assignee to receive a nudge. Reminders are helpful to prevent tasks from slipping through the cracks. If this is something that repeats, click Recurrence and choose the schedule that fits daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. Outlook will create future instances automatically so you don't have to. If you want to be notified when the work is done, check the option that says Send me a status report when this task is complete. This is optional but useful when you need confirmation without manual follow-up. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will deliver the task to the assignee, and they can accept or decline it. If they accept, it lands in their task list with your settings intact. For better tracking on your end, open File, go to Options, then Tasks, and check Keep My Task List updated with copies. This ensures your own task list reflects updates on assigned tasks, helping you monitor progress without micromanaging. And that's it. Thanks for watching.